Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. New upcoming Samsung events, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 will perform better in a key area, the Galaxy S26. According to the latest preliminary news data, the new Samsung Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 will get big battery boosts, with one caveat. The batteries on both smartphones should last longer than last year. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung held its first major event of 2026, but it's already preparing for another, albeit much more low-key one. Following the release of the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra, the Galaxy A27, Galaxy A37, and Galaxy A57 are coming soon. The latter two deserve special attention, as they are likely to be among the most important and widely used devices worldwide. Now, their power labels have leaked online, giving us a chance to understand more. They also reveal several valuable details, and at the same time, they also indicate that they will be better than the Galaxy S26. Courtesy of newmobile.nl, we have the energy labels for the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. Both devices see marked improvements from last year. Let's take a quick dive into the details. Starting with the A37, Samsung managed to net an A rating, which is a significant improvement. For comparison, the A36 received a C rating last year. Another category that made a similarly noteworthy jump is the battery life. The A37 moves up from 41 hours and 28 minutes to an impressive 53 hours on a single charge. Keep in mind that this is a measurement of idle time, so you won't be seeing this kind of performance when using the phone. However, it does suggest that the battery will last longer than before. Meanwhile, we get a fairly average C rating for repairability and 1200 recharge cycles before battery capacity drops to 80%. However, it gets an IP68 rating, which is the same as the Galaxy A57, and a B for drop damage. Moving on to the A57, the phone upgrades from last year's B rating to an A rating. Like the Galaxy A37, the Galaxy A57 also has significantly improved battery life, at 52 hours, previously 44 hours and 34 minutes. However, it clocks in at just an hour under the Galaxy A37. While the battery life on the A37 may be longer, the A57 beats it in drop damage with an A rating, and the repairability is the same at a C rating. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.